Hey guys, it's Mark here, and today I have here is the Huawei Nova 3i. So let's get into it. Okay, let's get to the overall look, and on the left side is the SIM tray, and sadly this is a hybrid SIM tray, but on the bright side you get 128 internal storage, so if you're using dual SIM you still have plenty of space to store whatever stuff you guys plan to. Unless it's not enough, I have no idea what you guys do. And on the right side is the power button and the volume button, and on top of the device is the noise cancellation, and at the bottom of the device is the audio jack, micro USB port, and the loudspeaker grill. Now let's get to the design. The back of the device is really beautiful, and the gradient on the device is really bonkers. The blend of the blue and purple is seriously killing me. It's a really eye-catching device, and the whole device is really glossy, and sometimes the device look like it's made out of plastic, especially the side. It feels like metal and also feels like kind of plastic. I can't really tell what it is, but I'm pretty sure it's polycarbonate. Not to mention the device is also a fingerprint magnet. The display features 6.3-inch IPS LCD display with 1080 by 2040 resolution with a 90.5 by 9 aspect ratio. The color is sharp, and there's two color modes, which is normal and vivid. The normal is slightly warmer looking, and when I switch to the vivid mode it looks more cooler. And you can actually change the screen resolution to have longer battery life, or you can just keep it in smart resolution. That will just automatically change the screen resolution to save the battery life. And you can always turn off the notch if you are not a fan of it. Well, I turned it off the notch, and also I downloaded rootless Pixel launcher with Pixel icon pack to make it look and feel like a Google Pixel-ish look. I mean, it's more kind of like a Google Pixel 2 XL or a Pixel 3a kind of look. And the Huawei Nova 3i just comes with a high silicon Kirin 710 with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage with micro SD card expansion up to 256GB. And right now I'm running on Android 9 with Huawei Skin EMUI 9.1. Fingerprint unlock works flawlessly without any issue. It's not as fast as any other devices out there, and the face unlock is not the best, but I would not recommend using it, or maybe just a me thing. Gaming on the device is not that bad. You can really play low-end games without any issue. Running on high-end games, it will be running on low or medium settings without any issue. I couldn't really feel the GPU turbo kick in, but the device doesn't feel hot when it comes to gaming. And there's no 5GHz of Wi-Fi connectivity, so you're stuck with a normal 2.4 GHz. The speaker is a single bottom firing speaker, and it's not really that loud. Honestly, the quality of the speaker isn't that great either, but I mean, you gotta work with what you have. And now to the camera time. The Huawei Nova 3i main camera features 16 megapixel with an f-stop of 2.2 and a 2 megapixel of depth sensor. The camera captures good amount of details and dynamic range seems great too. The photo comes out great during daylight, even at night isn't that bad either. It does kind of get noisy and also blurry sometimes, and due to the lack of OIS, and this mid-range phone I can't really expect that's OIS. Taking photo at night isn't really that bad, and it has night mode, but you really need to hold it really steady or maybe use a tripod. Taking photo at night with a lot of lights works kind of great. There's some sample photos, you can actually check it out. Portrait mode on the camera app is kind of confusing. The portrait mode kind of really not working or kind of really working. I'm not sure depending on it. I'm kind of depending on the aperture mode to take more bokeh shot. And the AI come out really handy sometimes in certain shots, but it will take a few seconds to process. The selfie camera features a 24 megapixel shooter with an f-stop of 2.0 and a 2 megapixel sensor for depth sensing. And I'm personally not a fan of any beautification mode, but even if we tone it all the way down, it still looks a bit beautified. But overall, selfie does works great, good dynamic range, and yeah, it's pretty rich, great. To conclude this video, the Huawei Nova 3i is not a bad phone for daily usage. Even for gaming isn't that bad either. And camera is really good at sometimes, and sometimes it can be really bad. But due to lack of OIS, it's a bummer. But what else can I ask for a mid-range phone? And this phone is still a great phone to purchase now since the Nova 5 is out now, so expect the price to be down. And for the spec sheet like that, I will actually really get it. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell button so you get notified every single time I upload. And do follow me on my Instagram and Twitter, links down below, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!